Alright, today is the day. Boy, do I have an experience up my sleeve. I'm gonna go get it. So quick explanation of what's going on. This morning I'm going on an illegal hike. Like you get caught, you paying a fine, you going to court. So I'm with a group of people, we gotta sneak in and we low-key sketch. But once we get to where we're going, well, I tell you what, you gonna see what I'm talking about. You're gonna see exactly what I'm talking about. I think I'm good to go. Start this adventure. Stairway to heaven, here I come, baby! So we're about 4 hours on the trail. Plans didn't go 100% according to schedule. This morning started off with a bust. We got caught by the police trying to sneak in the illegal way. Now we are taking the back route, which is just a big ass forest path. But there's no path. You gotta basically just find your fucking way to where you need to go. And we haven't even made it. Made the wrong turn. So now we're backtracking to try and get back on path.
When you're down the road, you must have came up straight up here and they went the wrong way. They went all the way to the waterfalls in the back.
So we're about what, 5.5 hours in, you said? 6 hours into our hike, and now we're finding our way to the Stairway to Heaven. It was off trail for a while, but now we're back on trail. Hopefully shouldn't get lost. 6 hours in, and now we're hiking the Stairway to Heaven. So it's a good warm-up hike. Oh, praise God. It has been one hell of a day, one hell of an adventure. But thankfully, it all worked out, man. I started today off at 6 o'clock in the morning, hoping to take the illegal way to Stairway to Heaven. Pulled up with my group, 8 of us. We got stopped by the police. The police were like, yo, y'all can't be here. Y'all can get trespassing. Y'all get $1,000 fines. Y'all gotta go. We left there. There was 5 people that dropped out. There was 3 of us that still wanted to push through and get this hike done. So we went the back route, which is the legal way, except it's super long. We get up in the trail. We take the wrong turn. We end up hiking for 5 hours in the wrong direction, all through shrubs, bushes, getting cut up with leaves. We ran into these guys with a group of dogs, like 6 dogs. They were hunting dogs, and they happened to be out there hunting for wild boar. And thankfully, we seen the dude before we seen the dogs, because they're out there hunting for shit, you know? One dude had a pistol on his waist. The other guy had a freaking 10-inch blade. And we was like, hey, I think we might be kind of lost here. So they pointed us in the right direction to get us out. And then, man, that was already 5 hours of hiking. Then we started going up to the Stairway to Heaven. And that was another 4 hours of hiking. It has been a very long day. I'm ready to get my ass back to the room, showered up, and chill the fuck out. And look at these dope ass pictures and drone videos, cause you know I got them, boy. Yo, I'm sorry, I can't stop smiling because it was a really good day. So I just stopped my timer, my hiking timer, and it turned out I was hiking for a total of 11 hours and 22 minutes today. Like, not stopping. Like, I'm talking like fucking squatting low, getting cut by branches, mosquitoes, bugs, fruit flies. I have never seen so many fruit flies in my life. There was literally, I'm not bullshitting you, 20s of thousands of them. Like, ridiculous. Almost got lost, and people really get lost on this trail. Like, people legit, like, go missing and, like, they die out there. When we found those hunters, they was like, you guys went where? Nobody goes back there. You go back there and you die. You don't come out. But we made it out, bitch. Started with 8 people in the morning, got down to 3. And then those 2 people had to get back to the car, so I had to join this other group. And man, shout out to that crew that let me roll with them and drove me back to my car, because I parked on the other side of the mountain, man. Much love to y'all, bro. Much love. Didn't even know me. Y'all just took on a stranger. Like, I could have been a weirdo, but I wasn't. But man, it feels good. Been a long ass day. Long ass day. But thankfully, that Hawaiian love shined. That Hawaiian love. So, mad love, Hawaii, mad love.